Hey you guys, it is me Laura with Scraps of Encouragement, and today I am going to share with you a really quick and easy simple Valentine that you can make. I'll show you a couple other ones that I made when I'm done, but this is a very simple card. All you're going to need is 3x3 card base, and you will need pink ink. I'm using Flirty Flamingo, and green ink I am using Old Olive. And today I am using the Make a Difference stamp set. This stamp set has two different fonts. You've got your scripty font and your block letters, and it's got a few little sayings here: handcrafted just for you, send a card, make a card, send a card. Anyway, hand stamped by from the desk up. And it's got this little flower here that we are going to use today, and I am going to go ahead and start with I'm using the block letters, and I have LUV lined up here. So this card is inspired by those fun little Valentine hearts that have really fun sayings on them. So I'm gonna start with that. I put that in the middle so that I kind of know what I'm working with. And the cool thing about this style is that this style lends itself to not being perfect, so I really like that. So I've got I love, and then I'm taking the U and I'm gonna ink that up. Make sure I ink it up real good. I'm gonna put that there we go. I love you. And now I'm gonna take this guy and I am just gonna stamp all around this card. Like, there's really no rhyme or reason. There's no wrong way to do this. I'm just filling it in kind of the best I can, using the white space in the image as my guide. Let's see, fill that in there. I'm gonna come around here, and you can put these on or off the paper as much as you like. The key is to kind of try and fill in all that white space around the edges. You can do this really with any color. I wanted to use a pink to make it kind of Valentine-y. You could use more than one color for these flowers. You could do pink and red. You can just kind of really go all at it with this. And there we go. And that is it. And I wanted to show you a couple other simple cards that I made with this. I used the scripty letters here, and I made the word love, and I just used the same flower things. And there's this little embellishment kind of stamp there that I used underneath. And then this one was really fun. I made a little crossword here. It says, "Forever you love me, romance." And this little image I actually took from the Foxy Friends stamp set. It's this little image right there, and that one made just a fun little addition here. But that is it. These cards are so simple, so fun, really great to hand out at work or to make with your kids and hand out at school. And that is all I have for you today. You can find the supplies that I used for this card over on my website at scrapsoфencouragement.com. And please subscribe and follow me on Facebook and YouTube. And I hope that you find joy in creating as you spread kindness and encouragement with your scraps of paper. I'll talk to you later. Bye.